Hey guys, how's it going? It's Bucko here, back with another video on 3D printing. So in this video we're going to be going over this new riser that I've just printed for the Elegoo. It looks awesome. The print quality I'm so impressed by, especially going from my old Vox lab down there, which is basically just an Ender 3 clone. But since I live in Australia, we can't really get stuff like that very easily. But luckily, a nice retailer called JCar started stocking these Elegoos, and that's why I picked it up. If you didn't see yesterday's video, where I went over a couple of little things I liked about it, make sure you go check that out. I will link it down in the description, and it might be in the card if I remember. And also, I was going to be going over a little bit of my new setup here. As you can see from the last video, I've upgraded the table just a little bit. I don't have a little tiny table stuck in the corner now. It's now over here, just my little display table now. Because if you've seen the last video, this thing was literally teetering on the edge of it, and I felt like it was going to fall off at any point. So I went ahead and got this desk. So hopefully my prints are a little bit better quality now, because I was having a couple issues with some layering with the vibration of this thing, because it does move quick. So if you don't have it on a nice smooth table that's not going to wobble around everywhere, it might affect your print quality, so be mindful of that. But now, as you can see, it doesn't really move at all. It still kind of wiggles a little bit, so I might have to get some nice feet for it. But that'll be in the next video, because I've actually ordered some PTU, which is a more flexible filament. So hopefully I can get rid of all vibrations. That's my kind of goal here, is to get rid of all the vibrations. It doesn't really move much now, but it could be improved. But without further ado, let's get into the main little montage of the video. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that little montage I put together there. And while I was actually finishing this video off, our print for the little poop chute bin is complete. And that looks really good. That came off so easily, by the way. Like, it just finished pretty much just before this, and it just, I picked it up right off it. And the quality, once again, is absolutely insane. I don't know how they did this. I really don't, for the price, and I'm so amazed. I guess time will tell how good the machine is in the long run, but up to now, I'm having such a blast of this thing, and it's so fast, it's great. And this riser is really cool as well. It keeps the temps down, and I can still leave the glass on, because I guarantee you I'll drop that at some point and break it. I have a thing for dropping things. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave you with a little time lapse so that the machine's camera did itself, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Keep printing.